Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to delete your Sheroes account. Hang on till the end because it's an easy process and you'll be able to do it in no time. First of all, open your mail which you had used to make your Sheroes account. I had used my Gmail, so I'm opening my Gmail account. After that, you will have to compose an email. So tap on compose, which is usually on the right lower corner. We're basically trying to send an email to the help care line of Sheroes. You have to type the email of care line of Sheroes, which is care@sheroes.in. After typing in the email, you'll have to write your subject as request to delete my account. After that, in the email, you can write about your desire to delete your Sheroes account. Then send the email. After this, all we can do is wait for the email response from Sheroes. After we receive an email from Sheroes, we will have to do as the email says. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.